reading a lot of your comments, you're telling me to remove this sound deadening a little bit to make a little bit more noise. Now let's pull it off. Start over here. Has lost its life. The last one there. We'll test it tomorrow morning, see if it makes it any louder. If you are new around here, drop me a follow. I'm currently trying to get to 16,000 followers. I'm nearly there. Your follow will certainly help me with that. And let me know in the comments below, do you think this is going to make it a little bit noisier?